Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we draw capital letter alphabets. Kids, first we are using black color, and now we draw the alphabet of A. Now we use the color of black. Subscribe to our channel. First we draw A, the alphabet of A, and the next one is B. The next one is C. C for cow, C for cat. The next one is D. D for dog, D for doll. Kids, the next one is E. E for egg. And the next one is F. F for fish, F for fan. The next one is G. G for goat. The next one is H. H for hand. The next one is I. I for ice. Now we are using the color of blue. Kids, now we are using the color of blue. Now we are mixing blue color. Subscribe to our channel. The alphabet of J. And the next one is K. K for kite. Kids, the next one is L. L for lion, L for lemon. The alphabet of L. The next one is M. M for moon, M for mango. The next one is N. N for nose, N for next. And the next one is O. Now we draw the alphabet of P. P for parrot. And the next one is Q. Q for queen. The next one is R. R for rose, R for rice. The next one is S. Now we draw T. The alphabet of U. The next one is V. W. X. We are again use blue color. Y. And the last one is Z. Today we draw capital letter alphabets A to Z. Thank you so much for watching.